The National Flood Insurance Program aims to reduce the impact of flooding on private and public structures. It does so by providing affordable insurance to property owners and by encouraging communities to adopt and enforce floodplain management regulations. Flooding is the most common and costly natural disaster in the United States. In 1968, Congress created the National Flood Insurance Program. The NFIP offers flood insurance to homeowners, renters, and business owners in participating communities. These communities agree to adopt and enforce ordinances that meet or exceed FEMA requirements to reduce the risk of flooding. There are 3 mission areas within the NFIP. The first mission area is to identify, assess, and communicate flood risk across the nation. To do so, FEMA identifies hazards from rivers, coasts, oceans, ponds, and lakes through scientific and engineering methods. Once risk is identified, FEMA communicates those hazards to communities and others through flood insurance rate maps and community engagement. Mission area number 2 is to empower communities and individuals to manage their own risk through information, education, tools, and incentives. Nationwide, more than 22,000 communities voluntarily participate in floodplain management, which saves an estimated $1.9 billion annually in avoided losses. Through the NFIP, communities and property owners are eligible for grants to elevate or buy out flood-prone properties. Mitigation activities such as these save on average $4 for every $1 spent in future avoided losses. The third mission area is to provide flood-specific insurance to property owners in communities that agree to actively manage their flood risk. The NFIP provides up to $250,000 for residential building coverage and up to $100,000 for contents coverage. Coverage limits are higher for commercial properties, up to $500,000. Through the NFIP, flood insurance, which is underwritten by the federal government, is provided to more than 5 million policyholders covering $1.2 trillion worth of property. The NFIP is constantly improving to adapt to changes and to better meet the needs of participating communities. Specifically, there are 5 areas of focus: to meet customer and insured survivor needs, to excel in a 21st century organization, to simplify overly bureaucratic processes and language, to enhance the value of flood insurance coverage for consumers, and to build trust in the program. Congress must reauthorize the NFIP by September 30th, 2017. If the authorization lapses, FEMA must stop selling and renewing policies for millions of properties in communities across the nation. A timely, multi-year reauthorization of the NFIP promotes stability in the real estate and mortgage markets and allows FEMA to continue improving the program. In 2017 and beyond, Congress will face the significant trade-offs involving insurance affordability, risk communication, the soundness of the NFIP's financial framework, and greater private sector participation in flood insurance markets.